So, your dryer is beeping, stopped working and shows a TE error on the display. Don't worry, I show you how to fix it. TE error means that is something wrong with dryer thermistor. Let's get started. First unplug your dryer from the power. Now pull out it a bit so you can access the back panel. Most repair guides will tell you to disassemble half the dryer just to reach the thermistor. That takes a lot of time. Instead we will be smart and get to it through the vent access in the back. Start by removing the soft vent hose. Then take off the vent pipe itself. Use a flashlight or your phone's light to look inside. Right there is the thermistor. I am pointing to it with a double rod. Unplug the connector by simply pulling it back. Next, remove the screw at the top with a Phillips screwdriver and pull the thermistor out. Here's what it looks like. To check if it works, you will need a multimeter. Measure the resistance. It should read about 10k ohms. If you see 0, infinity or just continuity, the thermistor is bad and must be replaced. In my case, it showed some resistance close to 10k, but heating still didn't work properly, so I am replacing it. You can order a new one online. I got mine from Amazon for about $10. Link is in the description. Since we already removed the vent cover, it's good time to clean out any visible dust inside the dryer. Now install the new thermistor, screw it back in, reconnect the plug and reassemble everything in reverse order. Before you hook the dryer back to the vent system, turn it on and check that hot air is blowing out. Finally, push the dryer back into place and just like that, it's working like new again. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more repair tips.